Welcome to Forest Packaging Group, a one-stop packaging solution. We have focused on paper packaging since 1986, acquiring many international certificates along the way. And since then, we have become a top 30 paper packaging enterprise in China, with over 40 factories valued at over $230 million US. As Forest Packaging Group has grown, subsidiary branch companies evolved to handle the expansion. We reuse recycled material to reduce the impact we have on our environment and natural resources, as we manufacture eco-friendly paper packaging products to our customers worldwide. World-class printing machines and facilities gives us the capability to produce 2 billion square meters of top-grade surface carton, corrugated board, and paper products. Our factory includes advanced corrugated board product facilities with equipment that's PC controlled to improve product efficiency and quality. We also have the most advanced lithographic printing presses with full PC control, auto plate changes, and color management systems.